What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got right here the Pixel 6 Pro. This is a phone that came out in 2021 and it's running the Android 16 beta with the new Material 3 Expressive look with some new user interface changes. And I'm going to be talking about the main changes that I have noticed when using the Pixel 6 Pro, and obviously with other Pixel devices you'll see in other videos. But let's start things off with the lock screen. So with the lock screen, when you first turn it on, it fades in from the direction of the power button, as you can see right there. And that's pretty much really it. There are some changes with like how the notifications look, at least like with the shapes and all, but that's really it. Let's go into the home screen. Right here, everything else looks pretty identical as like past iteration, just from a glance. But you will notice when you press on the volume buttons, you're getting, again, a new user interface change with the volume control right here. And I do like how it looks. I've always liked Pixel UI. It just gives that minimal and productive look. It's aesthetically pleasing, if you ask me. Like, that's the look for Pixel devices when it comes to my mind. Aesthetically pleasing. Now we also do get new setting icons and toggles, at least inside the settings app, new toggles, new fonts, new colors, new layouts. And again, it fits in that theme, and I think Google did a good job in cleaning up the look of the settings icon. And I have it on my home screen on pretty much all of my devices because I use the settings app quite often. Now, another thing you're going to notice is the battery icon as well as the Wi-Fi icon. As you can see right there, it looks very similar to iOS. It's not, because if you pay very close attention, it's just slightly off, but it's still very, very close to iOS. And I like the look. Like, I'm not gonna complain. I like how it looks. So there you have it. Like, some may like the look and how it looks similar to iOS, some may not. I like it. So that's just what I wanted to point out there. Another change that we're getting is with the quick settings with the notification bar right here. As you can see, we have one notification. I'm gonna just kind of clear that right there. But we also do have a new quick settings. Again, they are, just how it looks with the shapes of the quick settings right here. A little bit different and updated. And honestly, I really do like it. Again, it fits that theme of being aesthetically pleasing. Now the main change is going to be with the wallpaper. Now with the wallpaper, here's what you got. You have effects right here, and you can change the effects of the home screen as well as the lock screen. Here, right, you have different shapes. Again, you can change them. This is a weird shape. I don't know what this is. Again, these are all just a part of like the pixel shapes, and you can change the color. A lot of these colors kind of reflect the color of the lock screen. You can change if it's, if you want a lighter shade or a darker shade. You can go to cinematic and add a 3D motion to the photo, which I don't have, but my favorite is weather. So you can swipe to change the weather and see how the weather is on, like a weather animation on your phone. You can have it set as local, which for me, local actually right now, it says failed to load, but it's raining. However, I like fog, and I can change the density, like how aggressive the fog is. You can change it to rain if you want. You can change it to snow, or you can change it to sun. But for me, I'm going to change the fog as I did with my other Pixel devices. And I'm going to hit next, and I should be all set. And then hit apply, and bam, there you have it. Like, you see how the fog animation literally just lasts just a second or two. Not much longer. But this right here, like that, these small changes makes this phone feel super new, like much newer. And I gotta tell you, just quickly talking about the Pixel 6 Pro, if you want to have like an in-depth, like is it still worth it in 2021, let me know in the comments down below. But just picking it up and kind of, playing around with it, using applications and stuff, it still feels very smooth. The cameras are still very promising. And who cares, like, if the first gen Tensor G chip is in this, it still performs great. Like, I haven't had any problems. Yeah, if I compare it to Tensor G4, apps take a tad second or two longer to open, but that's completely okay. Like, if you have the Pixel 6 Pro, you will be getting Android 16. So it's great to see that Google is bringing their fourth year. This is going to be the fourth year that this device has been out. So pretty much 4 years of software updates. And now with updated, you know, if you get the Pixel 9 Pro XL, 7-8 years of software updates. So that's a huge thing. I can't wait to see future software updates come to Pixel 9 Pro XL and see how well it performs in 4, 5, 6, 7 years down the line. Because I gotta say, I have had this phone since day one, and it still is a champ. Like, if I wasn't reviewing tech and I picked this up as my main device when it first came out, I'd still probably be using it. Yeah, the battery life is a little iffy, but other than that, I think it would get the job done for everything. It's still snappy, clean, minimal. I like it, and I also do like this look with the 6 Pro. I don't know, but this specific dual tone finish, I really do like it. The camera visor, again, I really do like it. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video of Android 16 Material 3 Expressive on the Pixel 6 Pro. If you did, definitely be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.